So today I got a pretty short video for you, and this is just a basic orbital sander, or so you think. All right, what do I got? So this right here, it's a new Flex. See that? Flex. So this is their new orbital sander. I'm gonna tell you straight out, the grip in this thing, I feel like one of those NBA players to just grip the ball, because the grip on this thing is just so freaking awesome right off the bat. Can I do that with a real basketball? Yes. Anyway, they added another thing on this orbital sander. I'm gonna show you this thing in use. I just can't believe how good this thing feels. Listen, if you're woodworking, you're gonna love this video. Stick with me. So check this out. Again, this is the Flex. This is all digital. You don't have to worry about those stupid little knobs up on top anymore. You hit the button and it stays where you want it to be. But another thing that's insanely awesome on this sander, it's just this. Like, it's so convenient right there on your hand. Look, oh, you hit the button and it just turns on. There's no switches to go back and forth. There's no button on the side that's just irritating to get to. It's right there in the palm of your hand. But not only did they add those sweet, sweet digital buttons right here for your speed, this thing's got a turbo, dude. And do that. Now, what's cool about this is you can go from 6,000 to 13,000 oscillations per minute simply by hitting these buttons right here. But the turbo button, let me show you. Okay, that's gonna bring you up to high. That's your low, medium, high. Now, I'm gonna hit my turbo button right there, like this. I think they're just messing with me now, or Flex, because they know I love these turbo buttons, so they're just putting them on everything, but they work so freaking good. So even though necessarily this isn't spinning much, well, it is spinning faster. It goes up to 13,000 OPM oscillations per minute. It just brings out the raw power. So if you're sanding something, which I'm going to show you here real quick, you don't have to worry about this thing bogging down. And yes, I'm using the 3.5 AH battery. These are the stacked lithiums, which you're not losing power on this thing. Let's go sand. Come on. All right, you got the hook and loop system right here. I'm just going to put this on. You got the Velcro backing, so these pads are just going to stay on there. You're going to get some pads in the box with this. That's pretty real nice. You got your dust collection system right there. So if you want to, you can hook your vacuum up to it, suck all that dust out. Double check here. No, there ain't no bag in here. I don't know. It's very strange. I mean, it's on the box right here. I feel so stupid. So silly. So this actually does come with the sander, thankfully, because I was going to get really upset. But I realized that I'm just stupid. But look at this thing. I mean, this is like a solid freaking bag. I mean, this is not just like your regular cloth bag. And look at this right here. I don't know if you can see on the inside of this thing here, but it's like a really thick cloth, and it like has a spring, and that is cool. All right, so this is gonna go on like so, and that's definitely not going nowhere. Just put that on. There's a little arrow up on top. Yeah, it's real nice. I really like this. So let me show you what's going on right here. So we're gonna start this out on low, and we just got some pine right here. Let's bring this down. It's got such a cool. So it just comes with some generic sandpaper. You can use your D-Blow, sand nets, whatever you're using. I'm just gonna push this down on slow, and we're gonna go. And then we'll turn this up, and then I'm really gonna push down on this thing. I'll show you what this turbo is gonna be able to do. So that's your slow. It's your little baby sander right there. Nice and easy lap. Now if I wanna move this up, I come over here. I don't even have to stop this. I can just hit this again. Bring that up. If I need more power, I can bring this up. There's like no vibration in this thing at all. Let's go turbo. I'm gonna push down on this. Turbo mode. Oh my God. I gotta push it down on it. Thing's pretty powerful. You see, that's what the turbo is about. It's not necessarily more speed. It's just, I was pushing down on that thing with both hands, and you can't get it to stop. These Flex tools are just, they're real nice. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put the turbo on, and I'm gonna push down on this. The turbo. You can really push down on this thing. A beast thing. Yeah. I love you. So I'm just pushing down on that thing, and it just keeps spinning, and that's what that turbo button does, man. And you know, as far as it goes with the dust collection, you know, it's pulling it up through those holes, just like any other sander that you have. You know, I mean, that's so cool. So it is a 5-inch disc, just like a lot of your other orbital sanders. However, when I told you, no, don't turn on. However, when I told you that this thing feels like excellent in your hands and it's very light without the bat ray, it's like 2.5 pounds. The gripping on this thing is fantastic. I mean, it's so light, but it feels so good. And you got that palm. Look at that right there. You see that right there? It's all like, you know, you got the grooves on there so you can hold this thing and it just allows you to grip it. It just really feels good in the hands. And of course, it's all brushless. Now, the other thing that I want to mention about these Flex tools, and it doesn't matter what Flex tool you buy, whether it's a bat ray, sander, or any other tool that we brought or bringing to this channel, they still have that founder's agreement, right? So if you buy any Flex tool, you can sign up on their website and it's a lifetime warranty. So no matter what happens to the tool or the bat rays, it's a lifetime guarantee all the way up to 2023. And that is fantastic, like the best warranty on the planet right now. Other than Rigid also has the LSA. They have the lifetime service agreement, but those are the only two that I know of to have a lifetime service agreement. And yeah, did I have an issue with Flex? Yes, I will say this again. Yes, when they first came out, I did not like them. And I think maybe it was just because they were newer, they were going up against bigger brands that have been around forever. And yeah, I ain't too proud. I was wrong, dude and dudettes. I mean, they have been fantastic tools. I have been using them and they have been awesome. And this right here, I'm telling you, wait until you feel this thing in your hands, this sander. Like it or don't like it, buy one or don't. I can only give you the information that I am bringing from my heart, and I am telling you, this is a fantastic sander. Got turbo, that's how you got turbo. Let me know what you think. Mr. Real Deal, it's good stuff. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I love hearing that. Sweet feedback. And if you know anybody that's thinking about getting into the Flex platform, share this out to them. They're gonna like you a whole lot better. God knows YouTube ain't gonna share this video out. Check these videos out right here. We'll be back with more videos soon.